Hey guys, welcome to Cute Art School. So today we are going to be drawing Jumbo Josh from Garten of Banban. So get your supplies ready and let's get started. So first we're going to draw his eyes. So you want to make a circle. And then we're going to go ahead and make the other eyes. You just want to draw another circle right next to it. And then inside the first circle we made, you're going to draw another circle inside of it. So just like that. So we're going to move on to the other eye. So again, like the first one, you're going to draw a circle inside the circle. So now we're going to make the mouth. You're going to make a long curved line that extends past both the eyes. And then starting from one corner, you're going to make a curved line just like that. And then we're going to continue the curved line, stretching all the way out till you get to the other side. And then we're going to curve that in to complete the mouth. So now we are going to work on the top row of teeth. What you want to do is make a bunch of U shapes on the top and then continue it until you get to the side of his mouth. You want to keep this motion going until you reach the end of his mouth. Now once you do the top row, you're going to go to the bottom and start the bottom row of teeth, and you're just going to do the same thing. So now that we have both the top and the bottom row of teeth filled out, now we are going to do his head. Now on the bottom side of his mouth, you want to make a diagonal line going out, and then you want to make a big curved line going all the way above his eye, and then from there you're going to continue the line all the way until you get to the other side and go down. And then from there you just want to finish the head by making another diagonal line curving downward. Now we're going to start on his body. So what you want to do is make a diagonal curved line going down. You want to then extend that line out and then curve it on the bottom. From there you want to make a curved line going up and then stopping right about there, and then we're going to make another curved line right above it, and then we're going to continue it out and then go up. And then you want to make another curved line that dents more inward, and then you want to stop it right about there, and now we have his arm. Now to continue the body, you just want to make a diagonal line that extends from the arm. And then to make his leg, you just want to make a slightly curved line that extends from the diagonal line we just drew. From there you want to make a curved line going up, and then we're going to make another tinier curved line right next to it. And then from there you want to go all the way up until you get to the end point of that diagonal line we drew for his body. So now you want to go ahead and make another curved line, and then from that line you want to move downward, slightly curving it. And then you're going to make a small curved line again like we did on the other side, and then a bigger curved line right next to it. So from there we're going to finish off his leg by making another curved line. You want to make it equal to the other leg that we drew, and then from there we're going to make another diagonal line. So from there you're going to leave some space, and then you're going to make a tiny curved line that goes outward. And now we're going to start on his other arm. You want to make a long curved line that traces the outside of his head. You want to keep going up from there, and then from when we get to the top you want to make another big curved line, and then you're going to make his little thumb, so you're going to make a tinier curved line right next to it, and then we're going to follow that line down just like that, and then we're going to curve it inward going back to the body. We are then going to extend that curved line a little bit past the diagonal line we drew, and we're going to connect the two lines. And now all we have left to do is color the eyes and the mouth. And there you have it, you guys. I hope you guys had fun drawing with me. I had so much fun drawing with you guys again, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. If you can, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That would mean so much to me, and I'll see you guys again next time.